What if the mutual fund your bank sold you is quietly costing you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime, just in fees? A typical actively managed Canadian mutual fund charges around 2% a year. A comparable ETF can charge a tenth of that. Take VFV, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Its fee is about 0.09%, or $9 a year on $10,000 invested. But VFV only holds 500 American companies. Beginners who want built-in diversification often choose an all-in-one ETF instead, like XEQT or VEQT, which hold thousands of stocks across Canada, the United States, and international markets, for around 0.2% a year, still a fraction of a typical mutual fund's cost. On $30,000, the gap between a 2% mutual fund and a 0.2% ETF can add up to tens of thousands of dollars over a few decades, purely from fees compounding against you. For most beginners, one all-in-one ETF held inside a TFSA means instant diversification, automatic rebalancing, and low fees, with no stock picking required. This is education, not advice. Figures current as of 2026. Always check the latest figures with an official source.